Alright fellas, Tim with the Backhoe Garage. We're back for another video. We are going to Carlos's house right now for a little quick one for you guys. We're going to be unwrapping the interior. I got a little plumbing part for Carlos's father. And we're going to be unwrapping the interior and taking some of the stuff off the outside. We're going to leave the tape because I have a PPF appointment next week. And that's pretty much it. Then I'm going to go to my boy's house because he wants to see the car. He wants to go for a test drive. Not a test drive, but I'm going to take it for a little spin. Haven't really ripped it, so I got to wait a little bit longer. But we're going to take do a little video for you guys for taking everything off. I know some people probably haven't experienced that, and that was one of the things I've wanted to experience since I bought a couple new cars, but the dealer's always taking it off. And not that it's anything crazy or important, but just something cool to share. Somebody might be interested in it and never experienced it. So that's what we're gonna do in today's video. It's gonna be a quick one, and that's that. Let's get into it. Just want to say that every review on YouTube is 100% right about this car. It's literally like a razor sharp tack. That's pretty much all I can say. Just yanks it, no problem, nice and flat. I got a plus R mode. Definitely a tack. Whatever you want to do, it feels like it's on coilovers. Damn, I just saw a regular Civic at that house back there with a Type R wang. Is that like a Subaru guy with an STI wing on his WRX? I think so. We'll give him a solid C+ for effort though. Alright, we pulling up to Carlota's house right now. Oh, he's got the speed side. The speed. Damn, that freaking. Oh yeah. Hold on. Let me put it in first gear. I was rolling. That grill looks good. I'm gonna park like an idiot. Oh yeah. Should I give him the honk? Let him know I'm here. Oh yeah, the white definitely looks good with the blue. I hate this blue because it does not pick up on camera, the color. So go see one in person. You like rubber bands? I do too. Yo, say hi to the camera.
Oh, I guess we're good.
No. We gotta record each other, recording the cars together.
What's going on?
Damn, it's really funny because this tape is borderline the same color as the car. There's been some people we've showed the car to and in pictures, and they're like, oh, the thing looks sick. I'm like, you notice anything? They're like, no. I'm like, exactly. The only thing that down here you can kind of really tell, and half of it's lifting from driving 100 miles home on the highway. So my salesman put this on the car when I bought it on Saturday. Don't touch my car.
We got Travis
Scott. He the real one. There was some beef at the dealership. We already saw that, but good times. All right, so we're gonna pull all the.
This is a very hard uninstall video that we're about to show you.
Yeah, it's like taking something off your willy. Just kidding. That's disgusting.
Oh, these
I'm saving myself to marriage.
I gotta sit in it now without the plastic.
Hold on. Get the video. Oh yeah. What do you think?
Feels good.
You gonna take a nappy poo?
What's this?
I think that's
Frame number? Can I take this off?
frame number. Let's see what it says. Oh,
that's kind of cool.
damn, that's JDMAF. It's got the.
That's cool.
That's got the. Is that the VIN?
I don't know.
Hold up.
Don't show the people the VIN.
Yeah, they're gonna steal my car. SHH.
Yeah, it's the same.
Damn, they got the VIN on the floor in this car.
That's kind of cool.
Yeah, that's interesting. Well, I don't have the floor mats in either. That's different.
That is kind of cool.
What do you think?
Let's go for the tape, bro.
Hey, you're on YouTube, bro. All right.
What's up?
No, because it's going for PPF next week.
Oh.
Yeah. So we're just pulling everything off.
How about the floors?
Yeah, I got the mats in the trunk.
Man, this thing is sick.
Oh yeah. Are you doing my dirty work?
Yeah, I'm going slow so I don't rip the carpet up.
Taking out the window sticker. You guys all know what these cars cost. A little expensive. The only option was Boost Blue, which is $395 extra.
The white's gonna get a little messed up.
That's okay. You got any goo gone, bro?
Yeah.
Heat a plug, and then we got, I don't know what this is, but we gotta take it off. This sticker is the most redonkulous sticker to get off. Maybe a little heat would work.
I had a pretty hard time over here too, to be honest.
Come on, Honda.
You don't have any blades?
Alright, so we gotta pull the mirror covers off. Oh, come on. What do we, oh. Oh God, I just whacked my skull. I'm going to the hospital. Oh geez. Oh yeah, Honda's got the extendo clip. There's one. Carlos gonna vacuum so he can put the floor mats in. Damn, that's loud. Trash. Little peel and stick. Ooh, that's sad. Oh yeah, that's satisfying. Trash. Flappy tape. Next. Come on, Honda. Don't do me like that. Nice and easy. Oh yeah. Satisfying. Alright, last thing to do is, oh, that's a good noise. The steering wheel. Carlos opened the mats. So they got the nice Type R badge, which is dope. The driver's side? Yeah.
Take it.
We'll peel that off. Oh, come on. I'm struggling. There we go. Oh, like a Band-Aid. That's pretty dope.
Actually, that's the driver's side. I haven't vacuumed that yet.
Yeah.
You can do this side now.
Yes. Put that back here.
Go for it.
Do a little peely. Those are dope mats.
Leave them?
No, you can just tuck them under. Those are dope. What do you guys think of these things? Pretty cool. They didn't have to do that. So one thing that I tried on the way over is the brake hold. So you have to come to a complete stop, and you have to have that enabled, obviously. Come to a complete stop and you can take your foot off the brake. It lights up on the dash. That's actually pretty useful. It's kind of relaxing to sit at a stoplight and just have the car do it. Oh God, it's so butter. It's butter. All right, next, steering wheel. I don't know, I'll probably end up buying an aftermarket one, not because I want an aftermarket one, but this thing, it's suede or Alcantara, so it's probably gonna get nasty after like 2,000 miles. That's what everyone says, it gets kind of nasty, which makes sense because it's all suede, which is kind of a goofy thing from Honda to do, but I understand why. I guess it's better for track. Maybe I'll buy some cool driving gloves and then I'll look like that guy at the car show with the driving gloves on.
Oh, the M3s, M4s and shit, all right? Not the M3s, the M4s.
Yeah, because the back seat. Yeah. What do you guys think of the suede? It definitely feels good.
I feel that.
No. Yeah, touch my steering wheel, boy.
No, it is nice.
Yeah, definitely gonna get nasty after a couple thousand miles.
Have to look into some type of cleaning.
Even if it's, yeah, I'll get some cleaning. And even if I get like an aftermarket one that, because I know they sell a couple cheaper ones that's just all leather, like a nice perforated leather, leather all the way around. Even that would be nice. Got the floor mats in back here. They definitely look good with the red piping around it. I like that. It's a nice little touch. Definitely a big fan of the red seat belts too. And the four-seater. Carlos just said that. Last one going in.
Last one.
I'll toss it in there. The most important one.
Oh, so they're what? They're locking?
They probably twist.
Yeah, they definitely do. Yep. 90-degree twists. Boom.
Those things look dope.
Nice. Move this forward a little bit. There you go.
She's ready to go.
Oh, you got a point of VQ over here.
Yeah, VQ. What is this? It's right in there. What do you got to say?
I got Gugan.
You got Gugan? So shout out Eric. We shouted him out last time. But rear wipers gotta have to go bye-bye. I was driving home with a car and Carlos is behind me in the Mustang and he was like, yo, he texted me, he's like, yo, turn your rear wiper up. I look at my side mirrors and I'll look out the back, but I don't know. This is kind of not really that steep, but I just don't like rear wipers. Like, that thing's hideous. I guess it gives it a rally look, but from behind, it's just so big and goofy looking. I think it'd look nice and slick. I feel like this back window needs to be tinted too. Carlos got the Gugan. Come on. That sticker's, it's a terrible sticker. If you guys have never used this to take off any sort of adhesive from a car,
You're doing it wrong.
Just buy one. Look at that.
It's gonna make a mess.
That's fine. It's getting ceramic coated. Right in my eyeball. I don't need to see. I got my first mod in the mail. This red stripe all the way around, going bye-bye. It clashes way too hard with the blue. I don't mind the Honda badge because it's cool, and the Type R, and obviously the taillight's got to be red, or they don't have to be, but maybe I think I'm gonna tint these reflectors too, or get a smoke set or something. But that whole strip down the bottom, damn, this, I hate this camera stuff. It just looks so bad on camera. Not bad, but not as good as person. The only thing that we can't get rid of is this is painted on around the wheel, which kind of sucks. I like the red calipers though. They stand out and they're
not calipers, bro. Those are Brembos, baby.
Brembo calipers. I might get some small rock guards, not the mud flaps, but they sell smaller rock guards, because especially if I get a wider set of tires that sit out farther, because the fender out here sits far, but down here it's kind of tight. So maybe I'll slap some fender guards, at least on the front, so it doesn't throw it to the back. See, this is what I'm talking about. Boom. Where'd it go? Little Gugan. We gotta blow it all out with the air compressor. All the schmutz. I'm gonna leave that and that, just so I don't whack it with my foot. I'm gonna put PPF, I think, all right here, and then on this spot. Just because everyone says you get rock chips here, and down there is a high traffic area because it kind of protrudes out. Oh yeah, satisfying. All right guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. Like we said, I mean, you guys can, I'll give you guys one quick overview. Got the Type R mats. This interior is definitely, I wouldn't say it's top notch, but the seats are just absolutely ridiculous. They're super comfy. I like the suede. It's not gonna last long. I just left that on because I'm gonna buy a screen protector, I think. And yeah, we're gonna catch you in the next one. I think the next video on this car is gonna be dropping it off at my buddy Aaron's shop, which is Attention to Detail, if you guys are local. And I'll put his Instagram down below and probably put it on screen. And we're gonna drop it off. My boy Sam's gonna have his guy do the PPF on the whole front, and then it's gonna get ceramic coated, and we're good to go. Anything to add, Carlos?
That's about it. I'm excited, and we will have plenty of content to come, that's for sure.
Yeah, this car is definitely gonna be hopefully a growth, like I said, a growth additive,
a contributor to our growth.
Yeah, I can't speak sometimes. I'm not English good. So all right guys, we'll catch you in the next one.